Hey, my name is Noe Alonzo, and I am going to be your online professor for today. So today we're going to be starting off with our final part in our 28-day salsa dancer. As I've been going on and as I've continued following the plan, I've realized I need to change a couple things up. And going further into my other series is I'm gonna follow this similar plan, and if I feel like it needs a couple of modifications here and there, I'll just follow suit. But as of right now, I feel like I have a good idea of how I'm gonna help you guys understand the umbrella of social dancing and understanding the multiple we umbrellas within that. My idea for today is going to be going through onto dancing New York style. Now, what helped me out, and this is just pertaining to me, I'm not saying that this is sustained throughout, but what helped me out in understanding the differences in between dancing son timing and dancing New York Mambo style was that I started, for me, adding taps to it helped me out rather than hovering over, which is very common, and it's fine. But for me, it just made a lot more sense to mark it out that way. The tendency to speed up is very heavy in that type of marking. But if you just follow it along slowly, we'll get through it, okay? So today we're gonna be starting off with just how to like feel out the difference in the basics. All right, today we're gonna be starting off with a prep step into it. So it's a tap, step, tap, step, rock, step. Then again, we're gonna go tap, step, rock, step, and then again, tap. So we're gonna go from here on the left leg, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, and then back, rock, continuing in a normal H basic. Now the normal H basic is pretty much standard across most forms of onto dancing. It comes from dancing son, it comes from dancing old school cha-cha-cha. It's nearly the exact same thing. So from here, getting you a little happy, now I just need to slow things down. So we're going to go from here again. We're going to start with a prep, rock, step, tap, rock, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step. Now, from here, front-facing view, we're going to have the same thing. We're going to have a tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, and then rock back. Faces help. Bam, bam, and 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting over, stretching out. 8, 1, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3. Trying again. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, the faces help. Here I want to try and emphasize again that this is a side basic. This is your H basic. So you have a tap, step side, then the rock step. It's a deviation of your cha-cha basic. Now we're going to go just a wee bit faster, okay? Again, emphasizing that it is a sideways step before the rock step. Now going into a progressive basic, going forward and back. Tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, taps. And then going into the next. Boom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Just getting a low funky. So, in understanding Mambo style was started in New York, and it's kind of like a mixed gray area, but the cauldron that was the music and as well as the dancing came out of New York and as well as LA dance studios. So the one that we're most familiar with in Mambo style New York is the Palladium dance style. The Palladium dance style was really coined by Eddie Torres, very much like Frankie Manning with the Savoy Dance Studio. It's kind of like that it's the Latin swing version of that. So everybody knows the bass line. The basic is the basic is really the basic. A lot of the figures in the beginning are the exact same, but then it's later on when you get to the intermediate as well as advanced levels, where things start to change up and where particular dancers and teachers start to integrate their own style from their own dance backgrounds into the new salsa that they're creating. If you find any value out of this video, please leave a like, share, and comment if you can. It would very much help me out. See you in the next one.